Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Now today we will continue with the chapter Rural Administration. So you take out your civics book, Social and Political Life 1, come to page number 54. The chapter name I have written on the board, I am moving aside, you can see SSC Civics, Rural Administration, page number 54. Okay, a new law. What is this? A new law. Just wait children. Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Often when we think of farmers who own land, we think of men. Women are seen as people who work on the fields, but not as people who own agricultural land. Till recently in some states, Hindu women did not get a share in the family's agricultural land. After the death of the father, his property was divided equally only among his sons. The daughters, they didn't used to get the share of the agricultural field or the agricultural land. They were just devoid of. Recently, the law was changed. In the new law, sons, daughters and their mothers can get an equal share in the land. A very good thing. Otherwise, everything the boy will get. The wife and the daughters, they will not get anything. So the same law will apply to all states and union territories of the country. This law will benefit a large number of women. For example, Shudha is the eldest daughter of an agricultural family. She is married and lives in a neighboring village. After her father's death, Shudha often comes to help her mother with the farming work. Her mother has asked the Patwari to transfer the land and enter her name along with the names of all the children in his record. Shudha's mother confidently organizes the farming with the help of the younger brother and sister. Similarly, Shudha also lives with the assurance that if she ever has a problem, she can always depend upon her share of the land. This is some sort of the satisfaction in your mind that if any problem is there, it will not become the problem for me, that I will think that I am nowhere in this world. But no, I am having some sort of support. The agricultural land, it is there and I am having a share there. Other public services, a survey. This chapter has looked at some of the administrative work of the government, especially for rural areas. The first example related to maintaining law and order, and the second to maintaining land records. In the first case, we examined the role of the police, and in the second, that of the Patwari. This work is supervised by other people in the department, such as the Tahsildar or the Superintendent of Police. We have also seen how people use their services and some of the problems that they face. These services have to be used and made to function according to the laws that have been framed for them. So everything is written in the constitution, everything is there as law. But if we are not applying, if we are not getting used to it, if we are not asking for our rights, then we will never be able to implement the laws, the regulations which are written in our constitution. You have probably seen many other public services and facilities provided by various departments of the government. Do the following exercise. You leave this one, it is not required. So come to this page number. So with this we have completed this chapter, children. So you will do one thing. Just I will not ask you to write down the question answers now. So still the questions are quite easy. What is the work of the police? You can easily write it there from the book because we have marked it. Then list two things that the work of a Patwari includes. I have asked you to underline, so you can easily write it from there. What is the work of the Tahsildar? This one also I have asked you to underline. You will easily get it from there. Then what issue is the poem trying to raise? Do you think this is an important issue? Why? Definitely we can understand what issue is there, that the daughter is getting devoid from the father's property. And definitely it is a very important issue, because in many families, Still now, though it is according to the law, it has been stated that the daughter, the widow of the owner will also get the share along with the sons, but still then in many families or in remote villages we can find these things are not being followed. So definitely this must be brought in front of all, so that common people, they come to know that what is their right, what is their limit, everything they must come to know from here. In what ways are the work of the panchayat that you read about in the previous chapter and the work of the patwari related to each other? Not required, leave it. Visit a police station and find out, no need, leave it. Who is in charge of all police stations in a district? Find out, leave it. Or you can just, as a GK question, you can get it. How do women benefit under the new law? It is written here, and quite important it is, this law will benefit a large number of women, or this law, now we have to write, this law has just benefited a large number of women, and as a result now the widow of the farmer and his daughters will also get the share of the agricultural land which is known as his property. It is not that only his sons or son will get. It is the matter that both his wife, who has become widow, as well as the daughters or daughter, they will also get. So this one also we can write. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. Sorry, not 7, 8. These are very easy and everything is written in the book. Still then, I will not ask you to write the answers immediately. What I will suggest is that you will read the chapter thoroughly, you will read the chapter properly, so that any question comes from inside, you will be able to answer the questions. And if it is MCQ type question again for term 2, then you know that in what degree or in what manner you have to read the chapter. Okay. So children, read properly and follow the e-portal properly, follow the live class and the offline videos properly. Okay. Bye.